For today's video, we're going for a truly underrated gem and one of my favourite soups.
Chowder! Chowder! It's chowder! Say it right! Chowder.
I usually eat this plain with some buttered, crusty bread or toast. You can definitely cook seafood in the pot at the end, but in my opinion, you don't even need to. I see this dish as pumpkin soup's thicker, savoury cousin, full of fresh flavours from the onion, carrot, celery and garlic. Finished off with cream to balance out that smoky bacon taste that brings it all together. These are all the ingredients that you're going to need, and it's going to yield a dinner for a whole family with a cooking time of under an hour from start to finish. A handful of veggies, some bacon for the smoky taste, a little flour to thicken it up, chicken stock and thickened cream. Seriously, there's nothing to it. It's cheap as and it's bursting with flavour. We want to start the prep same as always. Dice up your mirepoix, that's your onion, celery and carrot, along with the bacon and then separately the garlic. This will all be blended up at the end, so I wouldn't spend too much time thinking about what size it all needs to be cut. Also, dice and put aside your potato. These vegetables all cook at different times, so that's why some of these are separate. The potato needs half the time as the carrot and celery in my experience. Get ready all the other ingredients and put it next to the stove so it's at arm's reach as soon as you start cooking. This is what the French call mise en place. To start with, turn on your burner to a medium heat under a large pot. Add some cooking oil and dump in the onion, celery, carrot and bacon. Along with a pinch of salt, saute this for around 10 minutes until everything starts to soften. It is truly insane how good your kitchen is going to smell with these base ingredients sizzling away. And it's crazy how many dishes start with this vegetable combination. After you're happy with the saute, add your garlic and 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. This is for thickening the soup along with the potato, but you will need to fry off the flour for at least a couple of minutes to remove its distinctive smell and taste. Add the potatoes and the chicken stock. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. Put on a lid and get to a boil. Now that was the hardest part of this cook done, trust me. Once your soup is boiling, turn the heat down to low and simmer with the lid on for 20 to 30 minutes. Thanks to the flour, unfortunately you're going to want to stir this every 5 to 7 minutes so it doesn't burn at the bottom. When it's ready, use that stick blender that we've used in the spaghetti and meatballs video or my red salsa recipe, truly justifying the purchase of a $10 to $20 stick blender. Get around it. Blend it till it's at your preferred consistency. I like mine a little chunky, but you should experiment with what you like most. Once it's blended, take it back to the stove and add the cream and any seafood you would like to add. I know my Māori and Islander brothers wouldn't bother touching this without some serious seafood in it. You can add mussels, fish, oysters, prawns, calamari, even octopus or crab. It's up to you. Simmer for a further 5 minutes and then plate up. I'm always blown away with how much this soup shows me that a few fresh and vibrant tasting ingredients can yield such an amazing, comforting soup that will warm your soul and fill your belly. Enjoy.